Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Monday, and it is the 9th of February 2026, about 8:05 a.m. Central Time. And finally, I might be able to take off the sweater. Looks like we're going to head to the 40s. We're not there yet. I was just outside. It's certainly in the low 20s right now, but weather changing, and they say above normal temperature for the Midwest at least throughout the whole week. So that's going to be something that is welcome. There's really no new government news out today. In Japan, you saw the Prime Minister Takachi, overwhelming victory. I mean, a huge mandate that the woman now has. Her party alone got the majority in the lower house, but then when the other parties join in with her, she's really got a sweeping command there. And immediately the market fell on the news in the Japanese yen. Let's see where I've got that. I've got it over here somewhere. Here it is. Okay. And now the market has come up as the government has come out and said, no, if you start selling it off, the bank is ready to step in. So this is verbally raising the market. That's one of the things that happened. I didn't see any progress between the U.S. and Iran take place over the weekend. I don't even think that there's a meeting scheduled. Well, all we keep hearing is Iran demands. They got to move the Armada. You can't negotiate with that breathing down our neck. Well, the Armada wasn't there before after the last attack on Iran, and they didn't negotiate then. So, obviously these people aren't going to make any amends. And the question is, in my mind, I probably hope I'm wrong, it's when they get hit. That's not the question, if. I'm now when they get hit. I was looking, if you've been following me in my end of the day reviews, for the dollar to have a bear market rally and then start down, and for the euro to fall back to its 18-day average and pop. And that's exactly what is happening right now. And I think that's a trend you look at. The gold market up, the silver market up. Goldman Sachs posted over the weekend an article where they expect selling this whole week to come into the stock indices because this big break that we had, and even though you had a nice bounce on Friday, it's triggered many of the algorithms to now begin the selling process and for the markets to come down. You might want to go to Bloomberg and look up an article on that. That was fairly important. We have 3 Fed speakers today, so you want to keep your eye on that. And that's pretty much where we're at on all the info. So with that, I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a great trading day, and I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day in our market reviews. Take care.